Pulley Customs here. Just going to be doing a Serpentine belt change on a 2006 Toyota Matrix. This belt here has been on for a few years and it's really cracked. This is the new Daco belt. There's the model number. This is a 1.8 liter engine. This car has air conditioning. There's two different belts. One belt set up for air conditioning, one set up without it. The one without it's quite a bit shorter. So just make sure you tell them that when you go in to get your belt. If not, you run into the same issue that we did. We told them we did have air conditioning and they gave us the smaller belt. Here's the engine model number. It's under the hood right there. So the important thing when you're doing a belt is remember the placement. There's quite a few different pulleys that this belt goes around. So either get a copy of it online or take a couple pictures. And the bolt, if we can zoom in on it, is where you loosen off the tension for the pulley. A 19mm socket, and you can see right there it's mounted. This will actually loosen up the belt so you can take it off. So it's just a matter of gripping it, pulling it forward, and this loosens up the belt. You'll see it loosen up on the alternator. Loosen it up from the alternator, the belt will just be able to be fed right off around all the pulleys, and you can pull her out. Sometimes it gets a little stuck on some of the pulleys there, but take a look at this belt. You can see the amount of cracks in it, so eventually this belt's going to let go and it's going to leave you stranded on the side of the road. So this belt definitely needs to be replaced. So I just have the old belt along with the new belt, just comparing sizes. And the new belt actually seems a little bit larger, so let's hope that CarQuest didn't screw up. Alright guys, there's the new belt all installed. I was right, it was probably about 2 inches too long, so I just had to try just to make sure, and I'm going to have to pop this new belt off and put the old belt on till we go back to CarQuest and see for the third time if they can get the proper belt. As you can see, there's a lot of play on that. So it's coming right off, going back to CarQuest. So this belt do not get for a Toyota Matrix with AC. So just triple confirm with CarQuest anytime you get a belt there for your vehicle, because this is the second belt that's been cracked. Again, you can see quite a bit of play. But anyways guys, this took about 10 minutes to do. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy replacing your Serpentine belt is. For this car there is only one belt, so it's something that anybody can do at home. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Take care. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Have a good night.